Morning, guys. How are you? Let's do pre-market here. It's October 19th, 2022. Let's go to our charts and see what's going on. The Standard & Poor futures spiked yesterday after Netflix earnings, which were good. Now turning negative, reversing and trading at 3,705, which is strong support. Is down 0.7% at the moment. And let's see if this is just a pullback and we can keep going higher. This would be the third day in a row for the Standard & Poor to close on the green side if we do. And we haven't done that since, I think, September, maybe, but we'll see. So let's take a closer look and see what's going on. So pivot today is going to be 37.05. If we hold, we're going to have room back to 37.15, 37.30, 37.50, and 37.75, which been double topped since yesterday and today. We've tested it twice, 3 times, and been rejected. Fourth time, maybe it's become a weaker resistance now, and we might break up if we get there. So if we don't hold the pivot, we're gonna have room to sell back down to 36.95, 36.70, 36.45, 36.25, which is really important point, because there is where the long-term downtrend line is, and we don't want to get back there. Below 36.95, we enter this chop zone that we've been stuck for like a long time now. So ideally, the ES can stay above 3,700 and push back to the 3750, 3775 area in look for the 3800s. Let's check the SPY real quick. The SPY, the pivot is going to be 368. If it holds, we're going to have room back to 368.65, 370, 371.90, 373.34, and 374.50. And the top from yesterday, that was 37.34. Unable to hold the pivot, we're gonna have room back to 366.50, 364.94, and 362.45, which put us back in the annoying chop range channel that we don't want to get there because it gets ugly, and at the slightest bearish news or technical, we are going to go and test lows and probably make new lows. That's how the stock market works. Right now, futures are negative, all of them, all the four major indices. Standard & Poor minus 0.7, Nasdaq minus 0.68, Dow minus 0.57, and Russell minus 1%. Bitcoin is also minus 0.4%, and crude is going back up a little bit, it's up 1.5%. A lot of news going on that sector. This downtrend line, we got there yesterday and get out of that like downtrend area really quick, and above 82 the crude is probably gonna go back to 84.50, 85, 87, and probably 88.50. We have a few stocks for today. Of course, Netflix, after their good earnings, went all the way up to 278.94, pulling back with the market right now, trading at 268. I would like to see a little profit taking and a little more pullback, probably around, I would say, the 267, 265 area. And I would like to take a long dated trade on this. It's going to be expensive, so we have to let it be for a little bit. Remember, before and after earnings, premiums are really high, and yeah, we need to let it settle for a bit. We took a trade with Roku. It's a sympathy trade, went all the way to 56, now pulling back to 54 because of the market, but looking good for a continuation higher. They have their earnings on the 27th next week, so we'll see what happens. In the meantime, I think Roku has room to 55, 59, and probably 62, but we will see day by day, level by level. But we'll see what happens with this. We also have LMT, Lockheed Martin, big push yesterday. Let's open this up a little bit more. We're sitting at like a really strong support resistance right now. 444, 56. This looks good, but I'm going to be honest. I don't have much experience trading this name, but the technicals look amazing. Plus, it's backed by a ton of news, upgrades. So it doesn't matter if I don't know how to trade this company, if the technicals are there, and it's also backed by news like upgrades, and this name is particularly involved with war production of weapons and aircrafts and so on. So this is a good one to have on radar. And last but not least, we have this. Which one do we have? Netflix, Roku, LMT, and Carnival. Carnival is a bottom play. We'll see. Russell's not doing very good today, almost 1% on the red side. Carnival just pulling a bit, but I think this was a good bottom, the 650 area. And I believe Carnival has room to a $59 in the short to mid term. So we'll see what we get there. Any questions? Anything? More than welcome to join our Discord group. Comment on the video. Our social media, Instagram, Twitter is at Green Team Room. So we'll see you there. Have a good day, guys. Bye.